Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Trust Wallet account for a specific platform. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application. Always verify you are getting the correct app from your device's official app store to avoid scams. This initial step is crucial for securing your digital assets from the very beginning. Next, open the app and choose Create a New Wallet. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms of service. The most critical step is to write down your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your wallet's master key. Losing it means losing access to your funds. Store it securely, perhaps in a fireproof safe. After writing it down, you'll verify your recovery phrase by re-entering the words in the correct sequence. This confirms you have a proper backup. Then, set up a strong passcode or enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for quick and secure access to your wallet. Remember, your recovery phrase is for your eyes only. With your wallet set up, you can now connect it to your desired platform. Use the D-App browser feature within Trust Wallet to navigate to the platform's website. Once there, you'll typically see an option to connect your wallet. Approve the connection securely, and you're ready to interact with the platform using your new Trust Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.